octopus. Wow, look, awesome. Uh-oh. What happened to the mouth? Awesome. Good. Wow. Open potato head. Wow, hat. Pero los que no se le quitan.
1, 2.
An arm? Uh-oh. Wow, oh look, we forgot to take this off. There we go. One arm, one ear, and the mouth. Put it, keep looking. Like this. Uh-oh. Working right there, see cricket? Where's the other mouse? Oh, here? Oh, let me see. Give me the box.
Mommy!
Try to find it. You have to find it here. Oh no! Oh no, potato head. Where's the hat go? Here? No?
Or hat.
What's this?
No.
Yes, the nose. Where does it go? Over here? The hand?
No. Oh, careful.
Hand over here?
Uh-oh. Oh, it's a tail hat.
No working.
The nose, the glue.
Nose and the eyes. Where are the eyes? Over here?
No. Mommy.
The ear? Over here?
Where's not here?
Over here.
Nothing.
Over here, look.
Key. Key.
Yeah, you fix it. No, not working. All right, let me see.
Working.
Yeah, you found it.
Oh,
Ah.
it's Daddy, Mommy. Look, Daddy, Mommy.
I am potato.
Ah!
Over here. Over here. Uh-oh. Here. You gotta find it.
Oh, Mommy. Wait,
Are you trying to butter me up? Hey, 1, 2, 1.
I don't know. Punta tayo. Get it.
Which for my days go round and round and round.
Look. I found it. Ah. Mommy mouth. Sit.
I can cut my own ears off, that's for sure.
Oh no. I just fixed potato head. Where the ice go?
No,
Here? Where's the ice? Where did it go?
right here.
Good job.
Oh no.
And the nose? Wow. And the ears?
Wait here.
Where did it go?
Key, not key.
Ahí va la ear.
Key.
No key. Put the hands on. Where are the hands?
Hunting. Nice hand.
On the mouth. Good job.
Now.
Oh,
Mouse.
And the ear?
Huh.
The ear. Put the other ear. Wow.
So I went to a restaurant and they.
Uh-oh.
So I went to a restaurant and they wanted to make me.
Daddy. No, Daddy. Daddy, Daddy.
Uh-oh. Oh no, what happened to his face?
Face.
What happened to his face?
Oh, look at that thing. That's it. Oh, look at
You wanted peace and quiet? Boy, did you pick the wrong boy. You know,